poppin', y'all? It's Diamond with DiamondTakesLife, and in this video I'm about to dye my hair from this to this. Not for real. I'm about to bleach my hair. I finally cut it off and I'm about to change the hair color to like a spicy ginger. So if you like to see how I go from this to this, keep watching this video and you'll see all the steps. All right, you guys. Alright, I'm starting off with the BW bleach, and also I'm using 40 developer. I decided to do 40 because we're going to change really fast. Of course, you need your gloves and everything. I don't know what I was laughing at, but too typical. But anyway, so before I get into the bleaching part, I'm going to start off, okay, legit section. Alright, with our Vaseline, and we're going to Vaseline the edges of your head. I should have put on my contacts. That's what I was really laughing at. But you do the edges of your head and any parts or slits you may have in your haircut. I recently just got my haircut. It was just one little slit. I let him do it, whatever. Oh my, look like Mary Poppins. Anyway, but start off with the developer. It has a measurement in the bowl. So I did about to the second mark in the bowl. And then with the bleach, I did 2 scoops. This bleach is very strong, as you can see my facial expression. So definitely be careful. I think the next time I probably will wear a mask or something. Mixy, do a little mix. Okay. I don't know what I was listening to, but I definitely was jigging most of this video. Yeah, I went back and did the Vaseline on my part. I kind of had forgot if I had did it or not, but I just wanted to make sure. Take those glasses off, child. Alright, starting with the bleaching. I went ahead and started with my edges because this was the thinnest part. And the little taper on the side. Yes, I do need a haircut, as I said before. My hair is a bit BB shot right now, but whatever, let's keep going. So I started to put in the bleach. As I was going, I was like, wow, you know, thinking my hair is pretty thick, so it was a bit more tedious than I expected it to be. And with that 40 developer, the hair will begin to turn pretty fast. And I did want to use the 40 just so I could get it as high as possible quickly. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep parting as if you were doing like maybe a relaxer, and just to make sure I saturated with that bleach. It did begin to turn a bit faster than I expected, but you're gonna see that during the video. So yeah, as I was doing this, I was making sure to press it through as well. I was tripped out by the fact that I'm really bleaching my hair. Like, you'll see me pause so many times in the video like, wow, I'm really doing this. But yeah, I started to work my way to the middle, and at this point I just started to like put like a whole lot because it was becoming so much to just try to part. So I just started putting like big chunks of it. Man, I was so tripped out about how fast it was. Don't forget, these products are very strong. I actually began to get a little nervous by how fast it was bleaching. So you'll see that I'll end up rinsing it out pretty quickly. So yeah, I didn't even let it sit like 10 minutes. I was so scared. Oh my god. I gotta do this again. Okay, so this was the first take. I did not keep that shit on long. It got so hot, y'all got nervous. So we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna do this hot part first, the middle of my head first, and then come back to the front. So yeah. Alright, trying this one more time. I am putting the Vaseline along my hairline. Please excuse my dog. She's going off on somebody in the background. But yeah, put that Vaseline on your hairline once again. And don't forget the part. I think I forgot the part. I did. But anyway, putting that on there again. I started in the back because this is the part that hadn't bleached as much. So starting with the back part, just getting that really saturated and working my way up. I definitely did this with the dyeing brush. What are they even called? Well, anyway, the dyeing brush, that's what we're gonna call it. And it was very easy for the shorter areas, but as I said before, I used my hand for the thicker parts just to work the product through. So with this particular time, I kind of was a little more relaxed, and I allowed it to stay in for 7 extra minutes after I get it all in. I'm gonna say that again in the video, but whatever. But I let it stay in once I get it in really good, worked in with my hands and everything, for 7 minutes, to go ahead and let this lift a little bit higher. I will say that when I update this color, which I did not record in another occasion, I used the 30 developer because it did turn a little bit slower and the color was more warm. This time it was a little more vibrant than I expected, but it was still, you know, a fire color anyway. So hey, I am really dyeing my hair. Oh my god. Thinking about washing it out. It hasn't even been a full 7 minutes, and I feel like I should just wash it out. I'm nervous. People really leave this shit in their head for 15 to 20 minutes. Whew. 7 minutes later, 7 minutes in heaven, and I am Dennis Rodman. I am about to wash it with the Shimmer Lights condition and shampoo. So we're gonna see how this changes the color, and I'll be right back. Whew.
Excuse me?
So I'm back in the blonde. Okay. So I'm back in the blonde. I have cooled this hair down with the Shimmer Lights conditioner and shampoo. Now I'm about to dye it with the Cajun Spice, which is Adore 59 and Adore 58 Cinnamon. Let's see how this concoction work out. I can't. I'm ginger. Oh my goodness. I can't wait till it dries, but I love it. It's lit. Yes, I get a new haircut tomorrow. I really did this before my haircut because I didn't want my hair to have any like what is it, like cuts or bruises or anything from abrasions from me getting my haircut and then putting the bleach on top of it. So I decided to do it before my actual haircut to freshen up my hair. But yeah, this is it. I'm ginger. It's lit, y'all. Alright, you guys, that's how I'm gonna get this color. I hope you check back into my channel as I make more videos and change my hair a bit. But yeah, this is how I got my color. Thanks for watching, my babies.